how to trim Snapchat video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. If you are looking to create the perfect Snapchat snap, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to trim your Snapchat videos effortlessly, whether you're using iPhone or Android. So let's dive right in. First, open Snapchat app on your phone. You'll be taken straight to the camera screen where all the magic happens. To record a new video, simply press and hold the camera button. So you can capture anything that you want and share it with your friends. So once you've recorded a video, let go of the yellow circle. Capture anything that you want and share it with your friends. So now, once you've recorded the video, this will take you into editing mode where you'll start trimming. So in the editing mode, you'll see a timeline of the video. But for this, you'll have to tap on the smaller video option, that is the preview of the video at the bottom left corner. Now, you'll have to drag the sliders to select the portion you want to keep. So, adjust the video until you're satisfied with the trimmed video, and once you're done, tap on the tick mark to save your changes, and now you can send your trim videos to friends, post it on your story or save it to your memories, and that's it. Trimming your Snapchat video is that easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.